Hello, in this video I will be showing how I removed a tree stump from my backyard. I would like to point out that I watched a video from Life Times 4 called Tree Stump Removal with 3 Simple Tools. I put the link to the video in the description below. What I learned from this video was to use a reciprocating saw and a hijack lift. I also ended up using a crowbar because there were a lot of good-sized rocks to dig out from under the roots. To start off, I dug around the base to expose what appeared to be the main roots. When I had a good section of a root exposed all the way around, I took the reciprocating saw and cut it. I continued doing this around the base of the stump until I felt I had most of the main roots. Then I took the hijack lift and put it under an area that I felt the jack could get a good grip underneath, and then jacked it up as much as I could. I had to cut a couple more roots before I could lift the stump enough with the jack in order to hear and feel the stump breaking away. I then jacked up the stump on the other side to make sure all the roots had been broken free. The stump itself was too heavy for me to move on my own, so I used the hijack lift to prop up one side so I could put rocks under the side that was jacked up. So when releasing the jack, the stump would be propped up by the rocks underneath. I repeated this process over and over again until the stump was high enough to be rolled out of its hole. And that concludes this video on how to remove a tree stump. If you are interested in what I did to this tree stump after removing it, feel free to watch the next video, the burning of a tree stump. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you and take care.